Hi all, welcome to the third video tutorial of Extend Report. So today we are going to see how can we set configuration of Extend Report, right? So what if I want to change the title of the report, or say what if I want to change the document name? What if I want to change the theme? As of now, we have generated Extend Report uh, in standard theme, right? So what if I want to change the theme? How can we set the configuration? And the second thing, which is very much important, how can we generate extend report with screenshots? Okay, so let's see the first one. How can we set the configuration of extend report? So for that, what we need to do is wherever we have initialized the reference variables of extend report classes, right? Um, in our case, it is in base test.java. So what we can do is, after this statement, once you initialize the reference variable of extend Spark Reporter class, okay? So we can take this reference variable and just write here, say Spark Reporter dot config dot set document title. So what title you need to give, you can write it, because if you see now the default title is this. Okay, it comes like this: extend hyphen report dot html hash. Okay, but I don't want the title to be displayed like this. So what I can do is I can change the title. So I'll just write here extend report, or so I can write here extend html report. Okay, after that I can write here Spark Reporter dot config dot set document name, set set report name. Okay, set report name. So I can write here, say sanity test results. Okay, and I can also change the theme. So I can write here Spark Reporter dot config dot set theme. Okay, so I can write here theme dot dark and standard. Okay, so as of now we have generated the report using standard theme. Now I will go for dark theme. Okay, so let's save it and let's generate the report. Okay, so if you see, this is the default report title, and there is no document or say report name displayed. Okay, and the theme is standard. Okay, so now let's execute our test cases and verify the report. Okay, so it's going to execute two test cases. After that, we can check our extend report. Okay, so somehow one test case has failed. That's fine. So I'll go and just refresh this particular project. Okay, so if you see, the title of the report has been changed, extend HTML report, and this is the report name, sanity test results. Okay, and this is the dark theme. Okay, so this is how we can generate extend report. We can do the configuration and we can generate. Okay, let's see the second one. how can we generate extend report with screenshots, right? So whenever it comes to executing test cases, screenshots are highly essential, right? So how can we generate screenshot? So I have already shown you this, how to generate screenshot. So what we can do is in this particular package, I will create one class. Say I will name it as test utility. Okay. And here I will create one method, public static, and the return type will be string. Okay. String get screenshot path. Okay, get screenshot path, and here I will write text screenshot src shot is equal to text screenshot, and here I will write driver. Okay, this is the reference variable of WebDriver interface, but we have to, this is not getting detected. So what we can do is here I will also write extends base test. Okay, extends base test. So what it will do now, the reference variable of WebDriver interface can be accessed here. Okay, and this is the text screenshot. It has to be text screenshot. Okay, so if you do mouse over, you can import this. Okay, so this is an interface, and I have used typecasting over here. After that, I can write here file source file is equal to src shot dot get screenshot as, spelling mistake, src shot dot get screenshot as, and the output type will be file. Okay, okay, the output will be a file type, output type dot file. So now I'll just import this file. Okay, after that I can write here file, or say we can also write like this, string destination is equal to so I can write here system dot get property, and here I'll give here user dot dir, so that it will locate up to our root project folder. Okay, after that I can write here say screenshots Okay, after that it will create screenshot underscore. See, now I want to generate a screenshot with the timestamp. So for that, what I can do here is I'll create one more method called as private string get date and time. Okay, and it will return new simple date format. So I want in this format dd hyphen mm hyphen yyyy HHMMSS. Okay, you can write like this dd. And this simple date format, it's a class which comes from java.text. Import this one, then just write dot format, and here I can write new date. Okay, so it takes the current date and it will return the timestamp in the given format. And this date has to be imported from java.util package. Okay, and I can just call this function here. Okay, get date and time, So just call here like this, plus after that just write dot png. So this is our destination. Okay, and we just have to make it at static. Okay, so that it will be called directly. Okay, so once we get the destination, what we can do here is I'll just write here file destination file is equal to new file, and I just have to give this destination. I have to provide this destination a path. Okay, so once it is done, I can write your files dot copy. Okay, so it will copy from source file to destination file, and this will throw IO exception. That's it. And at last, this particular method is expecting one variable to be returned. Okay, one string variable. So we can return this destination. Just write here return destination. That's it. Save it. So now wherever you feel like taking screenshots, right, you just need to call this function get screenshot path. Okay, so we can go to this perform right click. So for example, here, okay, after this, after I accept the alert, I'll just take this screenshot test utility dot get screenshot path. Okay, that's it, and it will throw one declaration. Okay, and here I can just write a string screenshot path is equal to this, because this function, this method is going to return one variable of string type, right? And to display the screenshot in the extend report, we can write here extend logger dot attach, or say dot add screen capture from path. Okay, and here we can give the path. Okay, in the same way we can go to handle alert, and after this I will take the screenshot. I can write a string screenshot path is equal to test utility dot get screenshot path. Okay, this will throw IO exception, and after that I can write here extend logger dot add screen capture from path. Okay, save it. That's it. Now we can execute our script to check whether screenshots are getting generated successfully or not, or whether we are able to see those screenshots in the extend report. So I will create a folder here, new folder, and I'll name it as screenshots. Click on finish. Okay, after that we can execute this XML file. So let's execute it. Right click, run as one test ng suite. So it's going to execute our test cases. So once the execution is over, we can check the screenshots. Both our test cases have passed. Let me refresh this. If you see, it has generated screenshots. Okay. And this is our extend report, and this is the screenshot. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.